Welcome back to Torque Update, where we unpack the latest and greatest in automotive news. Today, we're reviewing the 2026 Audi A5 TFSI Quattro, a sleek, all-wheel drive sports sedan with the practicality of a hatchback and all the premium touches you'd expect from Audi. The 2026 A5 brings a refreshing twist to Audi's compact luxury segment. It replaces the outgoing A4, sporting a hatchback-style liftback that makes day-to-day life easier, yet still delivers a composed ride and sharp handling expected from a Quattro. It feels sporty without being high maintenance and refined without losing its edge. Gone is a traditional trunk. Hello, new A5 liftback. At approximately 2.6 inches longer and nearly 3 inches longer in wheelbase than the previous generation, the new A5 delivers better legroom and a lower belt line for enhanced aesthetics. Its clean, sporty stance, significantly wider dimensions, and the power liftback functionality make it one of the most practical entries in this class. Inside, Audi keeps it classy. You'll find a curved dashboard outfitted with a 14.5-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, available OLED taillights, and advanced lighting packages like Matrix headlights with optional Tech Pro upgrades. The cabin blends digital polish with physical practicality. Think intuitive controls and ambient lighting that feel premium. The A5 TFSI Quattro comes armed with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 268 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Entrained through a 7-speed S-tronic gearbox, it propels the sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 5.6 seconds. Fuel efficiency lands in the mid-30s mpg range. This model launches shortly before the sportier PHEV e-hybrid variant becomes available, offering 87 kilometers of electric-only range at near price parity in select markets. The new A5 premiered as a successor to the A4 and will arrive in spring 2025. The Quattro model is expected to reach dealerships in early 2026, with a starting price near $43,000 in the US. In markets like Australia, both the 200 kilowatts TFSI Quattro and 270 kilowatts e-hybrid Quattro start at 89,900 Australian dollars, matching price points between the IC and PHEV variants. The 2026 Audi A5 TFSI Quattro is a graceful blend of practicality, performance, and elegance. It retains Audi's distinctive Quattro confidence, now paired with increased cargo flexibility and modern digital refinement. This model isn't just replacing the A4, it's stepping up the game entirely. If you found this A5 Quattro breakdown helpful, tap like, ring that bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more luxury car insights. Drop a comment. Would you go for the traditional TFSI Quattro or wait for PHEV? See you on our next review.